So, dear student, in this session, let us discuss about some aspects of only 5-membered monoheterocyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds that include an element other than carbon are called heterocyclic. This is one example of a 5-membered ring compound which is called as cyclopentadiene. So, when it loses its proton, it becomes cyclopentadiene anion. So this is one more example, that is pyrrole, nitrogen which is bonded to hydrogen. This is furane, this is thiophene. S is thiophene, oxygen is furane, and this is pyrrole. Pyrrole, furane, thiophene are a 5-membered heterocyclic compound, and we can consider the properties of conjugated diene of an amine, an ether, or a sulfide respectively. On the basis, pyrrole, furane, thiophene can be considered to be aromatic, which has been proved by NMR spectrum. So, if you take the synthesis of 5-membered heterocyclic, especially furan, thiophene, and pyrrole, they will be like this. When hexane 2,5-dione is treated with the base, and aldol dehydration takes place via enolate, yielding to an alpha-beta unsaturated ketone, that is 3-methyl-cyclopentanone. Treatment with a strong acid, however, yields a furan, that is 2,5-dimethylfurane via enol. So this is 3-methyl-cyclopentanone, which loses a molecule of H2O via OH and gives this 3-methyl-cyclopentanone. This on treatment with strong acid, it gives 2,5-dimethylfuran. Under related conditions of reaction, by treating with hydrogen sulfide, it gives thiophene. By treating with primary amine, it gives pyrrole, desubstituted pyrrole. If we take the structure and aromaticity property, pyrrole, furane, thiophene are aromatic because they fulfill the criteria for aromaticity. The extent of delocalization of non-bonding electron pair is decisive for the aromaticity, thus grading for aromaticity in the order furane, pyrrole, thiophene, and benzene is of this order. This order is consistent with the order of electronegativity values of oxygen 3.44, nitrogen 3.04, thiophene 2.56. So this is about the structure. You can see the unshared pair of are in the cyclic pi ring system. This is of nitrogen, this is of oxygen, and this is of sulfur. So you can see here, this is the order of the aromaticity: benzene, thiophene, pyrrole, and furane. They tend to react by electrophilic substitution due to the appearance of negative charge on the carbon due to the delocalization, which can be given by various structures, various resonating structures. These are the various possible resonating structures for furane. This is for thiophene, and this is for pyrrole. The 6 pi electrons over 5 ring system are electron jets, so they are more reactive than the benzene. So their order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution can be given like this. So this is the order: pyrrole, furane, thiophene, and benzene. So which can be given by the aromatic electromagnetic structure, which is a pi ring system which covers above and below the plane of the structure, which is for pyrrole, this is for furane, and this is for thiophene. So the pattern of reactivity with the electrolytic reagent with respect to aromatic compounds can be given like this. The order of reactivity is pyrrole, furane, thiophene, and benzene. So this is how we can give the general structure, for mechanism for the electrophilic substitute, where E plus is an electrophile. It can attack the C2 by the intermediate carbanion which is formed by the attack electrophilic carbon by the electrophilic attack can be given by these possible resonating structures. This is a substituted one, and this is C3 attack. This is the product. These are the possible resonating structures. So the order of aromaticity can be given like this: benzene, thiophene, pyrrole and furane. In case of thiophene, yes, donate and accept the electron, so the delocalization is as complete as benzene, so it is more aromatic. In case of pyrrole, it is diene-like character. In case of furane, oxygen is more electronegative. So these heterocyclic compounds in general, they undergo substitution reaction. For example, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, coupling with resonance bond. The heat of combustion indicates the resonance stabilization to the extent of 22 to 28 kilocalorie per mole, less than the resonance energy of benzene, that is 36 kilocalorie per mole, but much greater than that of the conjugated diene, about 3 kilocalorie per mole. So like this we can explain the stability as well as the aromatic character for all the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, especially pyrrole, furane and thiophene. So if you can see the aromatic 5-membered heterocyclic pyrrole, furane and thiophene all undergo electrophilic substitution with a general reactivity order: furon greater than furane, thiophene greater than benzene. This is due to higher electron density at the carbons, as shown by the resonance hybrid of pyrrole as an example. So these are the resonance contributing structures of pyrrole, wherein it is contributed by 5 structures. We can see the shift of electrons from one double bond to another double bond. So this indicates how the attack of electrophile usually proceeds. The major isomer 13 is formed through intermediates 10, 11 and 12, of which 10 contributes maximum to the stabilization of the intermediate. Alternately, minor isomer 16 is produced through the less stable intermediates of 14 and 15. So this is pyrrole. When it is when electrophile attacks to any one of the carbon atom, what we can see the corresponding hybrid which is formed by the attack of electrophile. If it is for second carbon atom, this is a structure. If it is for the third carbon atom, this is a structure. If it is for the next one, it is the contributing structure what you can give. So the major isomer obtained is this is the contributing structure what we can see for the attack of electrophile for this structure. So if you see the attack for the next carbon atom, then these are the 2 contributing structure what we can expect. So this is a minor isomer what we can see. So all these aromatic heterocycles react vigorously with chlorine, bromine, often forming polyhalogenated product, and while the reagent N-bromosuccinimide NBS, it gives the monosubstituted bromine. So these can be called as Friedel-Crafts. These are the halogenation reactions. So we can see here when N-bromosuccinimide attacks here, you can see the halogenation occurring, bromination especially. It gives the polyhalogenated compound. So when it in presence of acetic anhydride, it undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it gives the nitrated product. In presence of pyridine, sulfuric acid gives sulfonated product. So these are the examples, electrophilic substitution reactions, what you can expect for furane. It is nitrofurane, it is acetofurane, it is sulfuryl furane, it is nitrothiophene, acetylthiophene, and it is the sulfuryl sulfothiophene, etc. These are the various substituted electrophilic substitution reaction what you can expect for furane as well as for thiophene. Thank you.